Alright, cool. This is a 4-mark GCSE question, and we have this exercise. We need to find the circumference of this circle, and we need to give the answer in 3 significant figures. Now, I'm going to use the cosine rule to solve this exercise. And if we remember the cosine rule, let's say we have a triangle like this. We have C, we have B, we have A, which are the sizes. And suppose we have an angle alpha, which is between A and B. From the cosine rule, we have that C squared would be equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of alpha. So this is the cosine rule, and I'm going to use this in this case. So first of all, I'm going to draw the diagonal DB, right? And you can see we have a triangle and we have this angle. Since we have a rectangle, this angle must be 90 degrees, right? Now I'm going to use this formula. So in this case, our C is this DB, right? So this one, let me call it D, therefore diagonal. So small d, D squared, which is in this case our C squared, is equal to A squared. In this case, this is also 10 centimeter and this is 8. So basically is equal to 10 squared plus 8 squared, which is the B squared, minus 2AB. So 2 times 10 times 8 cosine of alpha in this case is 90 degrees, right? So this angle here is 90 degrees. So right now, this implies that D squared is equal to 100 plus 64 minus 160. Cosine of 90 degree, we know that it is 0, therefore this would cancel, right? So this implies that D squared is equal to 164, which means that D is equal to root of 164, and that I can do it on the calculator. Root of 164 is equal to 12.8062 and so on. Now, this is the diagonal, but what we wanted was the circumference, and we know that the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So it means that the diagonal times pi, right? Therefore, the circumference that I'm going to call C for circumference, therefore the circumference is equal to the diagonal D times pi, which is equal to 12 point, let me delete this. So is equal to 12.8062 times pi. And if I do it on the calculator, that gives me 40.232. And they want the answer to be in 3 significant figures. Therefore, 3 significant figures. Therefore, our final answer is 40.2. And that is our circumference, centimeter. And this is our final answer. Nice.